My name is Bongile. Welcome to the 9th topic in our gentle introduction to GIS with QGIS tutorial series. In this screencast, we will give you a basic introduction to the concept of spatial analysis and show you a sample analysis tool. Spatial analysis tools are an important part of geographical information systems. Spatial analysis is the process of extracting or creating new information about geographic features. Spatial analysis is useful for understanding spatial data. If you need to evaluate your data and interpret it, then spatial analysis is very helpful. Spatial analysis can also be used for estimating and predicting things about the data you have available. In this screencast example, we will show you how a typical spatial analysis called buffering works in the GIS application QGIS. Let's take a closer look. Buffering in QGIS is provided by an option in the Tools menu. Let's load a reverse layer that we will use as the basis for our buffer analysis. To do this, click the Add Vector Layer icon in the toolbar. Look for the 50K reverse shape file in the local directory where your sample data is installed. Highlight the layer in the Layer Selection dialog and then click Open. The reverse layer should now appear in the map view. Now, let's create a buffer around our rivers. A buffer is an area surrounding the feature of interest, in this case, an area around the rivers. Creating a buffer around rivers can be useful for conservation planning. For example, you can use a buffer to identify areas close to rivers in which no development may take place. To start the buffer analysis, open the Tools menu. Next, click on Geoprocessing Tools. Now, click on the Buffers item to open the Buffer dialog. In the Buffers dialog, select 50K rivers as the input vector layer. Next, activate buffer distance. Now, enter 0.0005 as a decimal degree. This is about 50 meters. Activate the option called Dissolve Buffer Results. Finally, select a name, reverse buffer, shape, for the output shapefile and click Save. Now, click OK to start the analysis. Depending on how many features you have in your layer, it may take a little bit of time to complete the analysis. After the buffer analysis is finished, you will be asked if you would like to add the new vector layer to the legend. Choose Yes, and the layer will be added to the map. To see both the original's reverse layer and the new buffer layer, you will need to do the following. Drag the layer river buffer with the left mouse button in the legend so that it lands up below the 50K reverse layer. Then, if you like, you can also change the colors of the buffer layer in the Properties dialog. Finally, you can zoom closer into an interesting area of the map view and check the results of your buffer analysis. You will see as you visualize the data that all areas within 50 meters of the rivers have been outlined. Now you could use this buffer layer to check if a development application is too close to a river. In the next screencast, we will look at spatial analysis tools for raster data and describe interpolation methods. See you next time.